Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious green smoothie. I will be using some of my favorite ingredients, so stay tuned. I love to add my favorite greens to my smoothie. Right now I'm adding a cup of kale, and then I'm going to add a cup of spinach. That's how I get my greens in for the day. Then I'm going to add a cup of fruit just to give it a nice flavor. Next, I want to add some healthy fats. I love to use avocados to add healthy fats to my smoothie. Next, I'm going to add my super greens and protein mix. I love this stuff. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals. And then I'm going to add some sea moss. I enjoy adding sea moss to my smoothies. It helps my skin out a lot. And now it's time to blend. Typically, I would drink smoothies 3 to 4 times out of the week. This is one of the ways I get my nutrients in. And there you have it, a green delicious smoothie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye.